Today I'm doing a review of this Targus small Bluetooth speaker I got. This was on clearance for $12, so I figured I'd pick it up and see how well it is. It comes in nice packaging, and so let's open it up. Alright, so here's the speaker. It looks pretty nice. We'll put that aside for a minute, and we're going to look what else is in the box. Don't worry, we'll come back to it. So, it seems like there's something under this paper. Pull that out. Oh, look at that. Alright. So, under here, seems we have the instructions and stuff, telling us all about how to pair it and what comes in it. See, in the box, you get a speaker, USB charging cable, and then a user's manual. And then you get a simple USB cable for charging it. Just plugs in there, and then this plugs into your computer or anything else. Everybody knows about these. These aren't that big of a deal. Alright, so here's the speaker itself. So when we power it on, it actually came charged. I've had this for several days. I've had this for quite a while now. It actually came charged, but when you turn it on, you can hear it. Makes a noise, and from there it sounds pretty good. If we go into settings on the phone. And we go to, here, let me turn up the brightness. And go to Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. Alright. And I've already connected it to this phone. But, turn on the speaker. And we'll connect to it. Alright. It was already linked to my phone, but we'll try this again. There we go. Alright. It connected. And so, seems to work. It connects pretty quickly. Now, the first time you connect it, you actually need to enter a passcode. And a passcode, it's in the user's manual. So if I go into phone, when you make a phone call on it, let's say you go to call somebody, it will, it'll ring through I'll call my friend. So you can select Targus speaker. Hello? Hi.
Hey.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Well, I'm shooting a review of the speaker right now. The Targus speaker, you know, that I got?
Yeah.
So this will be in it. Alright. How's my sound quality?
It's actually pretty good.
Alright. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me just see. Let me move the mic. And it sounds pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, to me it sounds pretty good. Alright. Yeah.
My sound quality does?
Yeah. Alright. Goodbye.
Alright, see ya.
We can also go to music. And we can play some music. So it sounds pretty good, and I mean through the video you're not going to be able to hear the full sound quality of it, obviously, because you know my mic might not be is probably not picking up all of it, and your speakers or whatever thing you're using to listen to this video is probably not going at all. But let's look at the actual speaker itself a little bit. So we have our off and on switch here, just a simple off and on, USB charging port, nothing on this side, and then on the front here we have the mic. Targus logo. The only thing that I haven't really liked about this is you have these here. Let's turn it off actually, so we don't mess up the phone. When somebody calls you, you can actually press the answer button, and I've used this before. The skip buttons for songs. Only thing is the volume and the skip. If you press it once, sometimes it'll skip, sometimes it'll turn up the volume, and then if you hold it down, it'll turn up the volume. Usually, I don't know. It's really finicky like that. Like that's the only part of it that I don't really like. It's kind of touchy with these buttons are kind of weird. And then on the top here we have just the standard grate, and then on the bottom we have these holes that let the bass through. So, and it has a nice kind of plasticky slash rubbery feel to it. It kind of has like a rubbery plastic on it, and so I don't know, I like it. So when it links in the user manual, when it links, the light is supposed to turn solid blue. And it's supposed to blink when it's not linked. So let's hook it up, and you can see the light there. The light is actually behind the call symbol. Kind of see the light flashing. That little sound means it's connected. And the light's actually supposed to say solid blue, but it's still blinking. I can read you the specs. 4 ohms, 3-watt speaker. It has a 400 milliamp lithium ion battery. It's 72 millimeters, 72 millimeters wide, 72 millimeters long, and 63 millimeters high. SNR is 80 plus or minus 3 decibels. Wireless working frequency is 2.402 to 2.480 gigahertz. Wireless transmission distance is up to 10 meters. Weight 129 grams. Speaker dimension 45 millimeters. And charging time 1 to 2 hours. Thanks for watching.